Hi, this is Dave Steinberg, your mortgage guy here at Summit Funding, and today we're going to talk about renovation loans. People use renovation loans for two purposes. When they buy a home, sometimes you buy a home that just needs a lot of work. And so rather than do a purchase and then do a refinance to pay for the renovation, you might want to do it in one shot. Or say you own a home and you want to put in a new kitchen. So there too, a renovation loan would come in as a great way to finance that work. Let's start with the purchase world. Let's say you found a house with great bones, but it's just terrible condition. So you want to renovate that house at the time that you buy it. Well, you can get a mortgage that will allow you to purchase the home and pay for the renovation all in one single mortgage. Doing so requires a little bit of art. What I mean by that is this won't close in 30 days the way we might be able to do with a standard purchase. You have to be able to work with the seller and come up with an understanding that it's going to take a longer time frame, because in order to do this renovation loan, we're going to have to get a builder involved, we're going to have to get plans done. All of those things take time. The good news is that when you get that done, you're going to have a single mortgage. You're going to, at closing, pay off the seller, and then you're going to have enough money built into the loan to pay for the required renovations. On a refinance side, in a lot of ways, it's a lot easier because you already own the home, so you don't have to get permissions. The time frame is your own time frame. But here too, you're going to get plans and specs. You're going to get a quote from a builder, and then you're going to proceed to get approved for the mortgage. What I'd like you to know is that there are two flavors of these mortgages. FHA has a program called 203K, and that's a great program for many, many borrowers. It has some disadvantages because of the higher costs associated with FHA, but on the other hand, FHA also allows you greater flexibility. If you have great credit and the loan to value is a little bit better, you may do well with one of the Fannie Mae programs like the Home Style program. And there too, there are just many, many options. You need to work with an expert. You need to work with somebody who can understand your needs first. Make sure that they have a thorough understanding of your needs, of your budget. We need to understand the construction process and the differences between the different programs. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Dave Steinberg, your mortgage guy, and I'm here to serve you. Thanks.